Today we're going to take a look at by far the easiest way I've found to add networks to your Metamask. I didn't know about this until recently, and it's super easy and fast. Let's take a look right now. Welcome back to APY Guy Crypto and DeFi, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get right into it. So the easiest way to add networks that I've found by far is if you go to chainless.org. And this website has the chain IDs and the currencies preloaded and the URLs preloaded. So you just literally add them to Metamask. You're going to ask, is this safe? You do it at your own risk, but I have gone through and looked at the main chain IDs to make sure everything was correct on these, and they are the main ones that I use. And I did kind of look on Twitter, I've looked on Reddit and other pages to see if there was any shady stuff going on with this site. I could not find anything. So you do it at your own risk, but I could not find anything shady on this website. So the way it works is if you go here, I have 0 networks besides Ethereum on this. So I'm going to go to chainless.org and I add a few. I'm going to add Binance Smart Chain. And if you hit add to Metamask, you just approve it and that's it. And if you look at your Metamask, now we have Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. So if you've ever had to change computers or add your Metamask to another computer, it's such a pain to copy and paste all those. This makes it so easy. If this helps you out or you haven't heard of this, can you please hit the like button for me? And there's also a search networks option on here. So let's search one. Harmony is one I don't think I've added. And they have different shards. So they have 4 different networks on here. So yeah, you can search for any of the networks that you use on MetaMask. They do have a light and dark mode as well. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to do some more educational videos in the future. They're not all flashy like some of the APR ones or high APY videos, but they're necessary and I think they help a lot of people out. So thank you for watching and have a great day.